What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Galaxy Z Flip 3, and I wanted to show you a little sample of some footage shooting at 4K 60 frames per second. I'm out here with the little dogs, taking their little daily morning walk, and I wanted to see what the footage was like on here. And Samsung makes some really good cameras for all their phones, their Note series, their S series, even the Galaxy Fold 3, Fold 2. The video's pretty respectable when it comes to their flagships. So just wanted to see exactly how good this 4K 60 is on here. I'm going to do a couple minutes just to kind of give you a taste or a flow, exactly how good the footage is. And I'm walking with the dogs, and they're carrying on like crazy dogs. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little zoom in here to see exactly how good it can be. Let's zoom in on this little box here. We're gonna stop because, and you could do up to 10 times zoom, so that's not bad. If you ask me, that's not bad at all. 10 times zoom is not bad. But yeah, this is we'll do a little focus test up here just to kind of get a little taste of that. But it seems like it's smooth, and I'm rocking with one hand, so you guys tell me. Oh yeah, this camera's pretty good. I took some pictures with this phone too, and the rear cameras seem pretty good. Regular daylight, regular light. Haven't shot anything in any dark bars or dark alleys or anything. As far as to see what the footage is when it's dark. But on here, I'm going in the shade, I'm going in the light, so you can kind of get a feel exactly how good these are looking. Hey girl, what y'all doing? But let's keep it moving here, just so we can get like a flow. Sorry about that. This is a little bit of a challenge to do a sample video and all that, but yeah, that's really gonna do it, man. Keep it locked right here on Android Stud. Like this video, leave a comment down below if you're enjoying your Z Flip 3. This thing is a futuristic phone that folds in half, and it's phenomenal. I love how thin it is. Battery's a little small, but you can get around that by charging it. But it's a fun device, man. These foldables are the future, and they're phenomenal. But that's gonna do it, man. Thanks so much for watching.